Unveiling the Mysteries of Islam, a Journey of Discovery. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey of discovery as we unveil the mysteries of Islam. Get ready to explore this fascinating religion, its beliefs, practices, and cultural heritage in a way you've never seen before. The wonders of Islamic architecture. Islamic architecture is renowned for its breathtaking beauty and intricate designs. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind these magnificent structures and their spiritual significance in Islam. There are some architectures which represents Islamic heritage. These are the Alhambra, Spain, Nasir al-Mulk Mosque, Selamai Mosque, Derna, Grand Mosque, Abu Dhabi. The teachings of Islam. Islam is a religion of peace, compassion, and justice. We'll delve into its core teachings, exploring the belief in one God, the significance of prayer, and the call for social responsibility. Prepare to be inspired. Unveiling the Quran. The Quran is the holy book of Islam, filled with wisdom and guidance. Let's unravel its poetic verses, explore its historical context, and understand its relevance in the lives of Muslims today. The pillars of Islam. The 5 pillars form the foundation of Islam. We'll witness the power of Shahada, faith declaration, experience the beauty of Salat, prayer, explore the significance of Zakat, charity, understand the spirituality of Psalm, fasting, and embark on a virtual journey to Mecca for Hajj. Islamic art and calligraphy. Islamic art is a treasure trove of creativity. We'll unveil the mesmerizing beauty of calligraphy, explore the symbolism behind geometric patterns, and discover how art has been used to express Islamic values and spirituality. Islam and science. Did you know that Islam has a rich history of scientific advancements? We delve into the golden age of Islam, uncovering the incredible discoveries made by Muslim scholars in fields like astronomy, mathematics, medicine, and more. And that, my friends, concludes our amazing journey of discovery into the mysteries of Islam. We hope you've gained a deeper understanding of this beautiful religion and its profound impact on the world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the knowledge. Until next time, peace be upon you all.